Hi everyone, it's Zach here with KA RV Repair. Today we'd like to dive into the importance of getting a chassis inspection on your RV, so let's get started. The chassis is the main framework of your RV, and having it inspected is essentially a safety check on the vehicle. The chassis houses everything including the motor, transmission, wheels, suspension, and more. All parts of the chassis must be functioning properly in order for you to safely operate the vehicle, and while there are many components that are directly a part of the chassis, there are also many other parts that rely on the chassis and its overall operation. At KA RV Repair, we offer chassis inspections and also repairs. We can perform maintenance and replacement services to get your RV's chassis back in working order and safe to drive once again. Schedule an annual chassis inspection to ensure your RV is working properly and to increase its lifetime. Contact us today to book your appointment in DeBary, Florida. We can't wait to see you, and have a nice day.